Hi, welcome back to another short video from It's in the Detail. This one hopefully will make your winter washers a lot more comfortable. Everybody tends to use these gloves. Now obviously when you're using ceramic chemicals and strong APCs, PPE is very important. The only problem is if you're using them washing, as soon as you put them on and you dip them in the bucket, you get your wash media, you wipe on the car and it runs down your arm. So it's really only protecting your fingertips, and of course it gets inside and then you end up being extremely cold. Not sure where I discovered this hack, but I think it was probably when I was looking for some gardening implements, and I noticed these gauntlets. Well, they're insulated, they're chemically resistant, so as soon as you put them on, you'll notice that not only does it protect your hands, but it can go all the way up past your elbows. They're insulated inside, very, very soft and nice to use. They're very smooth on the outside, so obviously they're not going to damage your paintwork. Now, you can put your hand in the bucket, slosh your foam pad or whatever it is you're using to wash, and it doesn't matter how much you splash, all it's going to do is go up the sleeve. You put your hand in, you're using it like this, it runs down your elbow and you're still protected. More importantly, in British winters, not only are you protected, you're also warm. The warmer and more comfortable you are, the more likely you are to do a better job because you're comfortable. I don't think these were an awful lot of money. I think they were about £20 from Amazon. I'm sure there's lots of different versions out there. Hopefully this will make your winter washers a lot more comfortable. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe. It would be really helpful. Thank you very much and see you on the next one.